The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for north-central DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, southern Boone County in north-central Illinois, southwestern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:16 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Kirkland, or 9 miles south of Belvidere, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Kingston around 7:20 p.m., Belvidere around 7:25 p.m., Marengo around 7:45 p.m., including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 43 and 56. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation.